Curious about the 2025 Maserati GranTurismo's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, minimalist design with premium materials and haptic touch controls for a futuristic feel. The display features a high-resolution touchscreen with haptic feedback, seamless connectivity, and intuitive controls. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced vehicle settings integration. The instrument cluster is a fully digital, high-resolution display with customizable layouts. It provides real-time driving data, navigation, and advanced driver assist visuals for a seamless experience. The steering wheel features a sporty, flat-bottom design with premium leather and multifunction controls. It includes integrated paddle shifters and a dedicated drive mode selector for an engaging driving experience. The engine offers a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine producing up to 542 horsepower, delivering a blend of power and efficiency. Features an advanced all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission for dynamic handling. The central clock on the Maserati GranTurismo primarily displays the time while enhancing the interior's luxury and sophistication. Its design reflects Maserati's brand identity, often incorporating the iconic Trident logo. It features a panoramic sunroof that provides an expansive view and enhances cabin light. It offers one-touch operation for easy control and an elegant, open-air experience. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, transmission failure warning light, brake warning light, brakes overheated warning light, low voltage battery charge warning light, battery charge low warning light, door open warning light, drowsy driver detection warning light, electric power steering fault, warning light, electric motor failure, warning light, service electrical system, warning light, charging system fault, seat belt reminder, warning light, SOS call, battery failure, warning light, turtle mode, warning light, 400-volt traction battery fail, high voltage coolant, low warning light, keyless start system failure, anti-lock brake system, warning light, active driving assist fail, active lane management warning light, suspension lifter system failure, brakes overheated warning light, suspension lifter system failure, warning light, drowsy driver detected system fault warning light, advanced front lighting system failure, warning light, electric park brake warning light, electronic stability control active warning light, electronic stability control off warning light, low washer fluid warning light, service active lane management warning light, service adaptive cruise control, warning light, service forward collision, warning light, tire pressure monitoring system, warning light, traction battery cutoff, warning light, traffic sign recognition, fault warning light, forward collision warning, off indicator, light, ice hazard indicator, light, twilight sensors failure, warning light, immobilizer and anti-theft system, rain sensor failure, warning light, park sensors, failure warning light, headlight aiming system failure, automatic high beam failure warning, suspension system failure warning, windshield wiper, failure warning light, suspension lifter, system failure warning light due to payload, a WD failure warning light, temporary AWD failure warning light, active lane management indicator, light, parking/headlights on indicator light, plug status indicator light, hill descent control set, ready to drive indicator light, turn signal indicator lights, hill descent control ready, electric charge door indicator, sport suspension, setting indicator light, ride height indicator light, high beam indicator light, auto high beam indicator light on.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.